If you started learning lash lift today, exactly how long would it take to get your first paying clients? 1 week, 1 month, or never? Most beginners have the tools, but they lack the roadmap. In this video, I will show you exactly 0 to the first client timeline, from our first practice to your first paycheck. I remember my first day, hands shaking, glue getting everywhere. Without a mentor, I feel overwhelmed. Was it really a viable career? But then it clicked. I finished my first model. Then I peeled off that shield and saw the perfect curls. That feeling was addictive. That first $80 wasn't just money. It was proof that business would works. Here is a 4-step framework tailored for 2026. Step 1. The foundation. Before touching a human, you must learn anatomy. Understanding why lashes curl prevents damage. Step 2. Mannequin mastery. Do not skip this step. Practice placement on a mannequin until your muscle memory takes over. Step 3. The power of 5. Do 5 free models. Your goals here isn't money, it's content. Take photos, videos, build your portfolio. Step 4. The launch. Now you are ready to charge. Start with an introductory offer, then scale up. Let's get technicals. A perfect lift starts with the rod selection. Too small means too curly. Too big means no lift. Watch the placement. I used Ciula Glue Balm for instant hold. This was the most critical part, isolation. Every lash must be straight and separated. If they cross, the process crook. Apply the solution only on the mid selection. Never the tips. Process for 10 minutes and reveal. Why do 80% of the beginner fail? Avoiding these 3 mistakes will save your career. Number 1, over-processing. Treating all the lashes the same leads to the fired lashes. Always customize your timing. Number 2, underpricing. Charging $20 attract cheap clients. Know your worth from day 1. Number 3, content paralysis. Taking photos but never posting them because they aren't perfect. Post the progress. Clients love authentic progress. Let's talk business math. How fast do you break even? The Ciula Professional Kit costs around $100. It performs 30 treatments. If you charge a model $60 per service, client 1, you say $60, client 2 pays $60, totally you got $120. You have broke the even in just 2 hours. From client 3 to client 30 is a pure profit. Lash lift is the smartest entry into the beauty industry. If you want to learn this skill step by step, you have compiled a free lash lift course in this playlist here. And to get the exact result you saw in the video, you grab the Ciula Starter Kit, link in the description below. Don't wait, start your journey today. Click here for the next lessons.